talking about grant possibly taken as a loss and getting that refund. Break down the cons of that. Of course, we see the immediate pros, but what's the long-lasting cons of always writing off losses?
One thing is the IRS knows that people are going to try to do that, right? Because they know that, hey, if you're trying to go to zero every year, they created what's called a hobby loss rule. You should be showing a profit at least within a 5-year period. You shouldn't be showing more loss of more than 3 years within that 5-year period. They understand that you can have a loss, but if you're consistently showing a loss, then they're going to consider that a hobby. That basically originated from like people doing horse betting, using that as a way to write off, pay no money in taxes. There's other ways to be able to pay less money in taxes without always having to show a loss. It's going to be important, especially if you're in a year to where you're trying to qualify for a loan to be able to get a home, because sometimes they're going to use that P&L, that profit and loss statement from your business. One way you can do it is you can do what's called income shifting. So you can be able to put more money into a retirement account. That's a legit way to do it, because as a business owner, let's say you have one employee, you can go ahead and create what's called a solo 401k, put money into that, and that will be considered a deduction for your business. Or you can even do what's called a SEP IRA, put even more money into those accounts, and that's going to be automatic $20,000, $50,000, however much you contribute into those accounts, and that reduces your taxable income, and then you still show assets.